In today's video, I will show you how to add your interest on your Instagram profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram allows users to mark topics they are interested in order to influence their suggested content they'll see as they use the photo and video sharing platform. Users can flag interest in a variety of categories such as pop culture, humor, and music. So, what if you want to add your interest to your Instagram profile? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you just can go to your profile. As you can see in here, I have add my interest like this. So you can select on edit profile and you'll find there is an option interest in it. You can just select on that and you can select five interest to your profile. So for example, I will add five interest topic to my Instagram profile. Okay, mindfulness and also love. I will add this and this. After that, after you finish select your interest, you can just select on save. You can go back, you can refresh your page, and now as you can see in here, I have five interest topics on my profile. And what if you can't find that feature on your Instagram? So first you have to make sure that your Instagram application is on the latest version, so you can check on your app store or play store. If there's an option to update, you can update it first. So that is how to add interest to your Instagram profile. Thank you and see you.